Revolut gift cards are a convenient way to send money or make purchases. Follow these steps to effectively use them. Step 1. Create or log into your Revolut account. Download the Revolut app from your app store and create an account if you don't have one. If you already have an account, simply log in using your credentials. Step 2. Purchase a gift card. Navigate to the gift card section in the app. Choose the retailer or service you want to buy a gift card for, select the amount, and complete the purchase using your Revolut balance or linked payment method. Step 3. Send the gift card. Once you have purchased the gift card, you can send it to someone else. Select the gift card from your account, enter the recipient's email address or phone number, and send it directly through the app. Step 4. Redeem the gift card. The recipient will receive a notification with instructions on how to redeem the gift card. They can follow the provided link or instructions to use the card at the specified retailer or service. Step 5. Check balance and expiry. Keep track of the gift card balance and expiry date through the Revolut app. This will help ensure that the recipient uses the card before it expires and knows how much value is left. Using Revolut gift cards can enhance your gifting experience and make transactions easier. Enjoy the convenience they offer.